Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I make a small floral arrangement. So come on with me, guys. So these beautiful flowers I purchased at Michael's. I am loving the little mini roses. They are so beautiful. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so what I'm doing now is taking the tags off and then I'm placing them in the vase. I'm going to be arranging them back and forth until I like their placement. Now the greenery always seems to give it that nice little touch that it needs. I think it's still something missing. I'm gonna go grab some jute twine and I'm gonna go grab one of the bees to hang from it. So basically all I'm doing is just wrapping that little narrow part of the neck and just wrapping that jute twine around it, and then I'm going to go ahead and dangle that bee. am absolutely loving this floral arrangement. It is so cute. Look at that. I decided to leave the bee in its natural wood state. So, gorgeous. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, guys. And subscribe.